The OnePlus Watch 3 has arrived, and it's making waves in the world of Android smartwatches. With its sleek design, robust feature set, and competitive pricing, it's positioned as a strong contender for the title of the best Android smartwatch. But does it live up to the hype? In this comprehensive review, we'll dive deep into its design, performance, features, battery life, and more to help you decide if the OnePlus Watch 3 is the right smartwatch for you. Design and build quality. The OnePlus Watch 3 boasts a premium design that combines elegance with durability. It features a circular AMOLED display with a 1.43-inch screen, offering a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels. The display is bright, vibrant, and sharp, making it easy to read even under direct sunlight. The watch is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, ensuring resistance against scratches and minor impacts. The case is made of stainless steel, giving it a premium feel while maintaining durability. It's available in two color options, midnight black and silver. The watch is also rated 5 ATM for water resistance, meaning it can withstand depths of up to 50 meters, making it suitable for swimming and other water-based activities. The included silicone strap is comfortable to wear for extended periods and is easily interchangeable, allowing users to customize the look of their watch. Overall, the OnePlus Watch 3's design is a perfect blend of style and functionality, making it suitable for both casual and formal settings. Performance and software under the hood. The OnePlus Watch 3 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 chipset, paired with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. This combination ensures smooth performance, whether you're navigating through menus, tracking workouts, or running apps. The watch runs on Wear OS 4, which is a significant upgrade from its predecessor. Wear OS 4 brings a more intuitive user interface, better app support, and improved integration with Android smartphones. The watch supports Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi, and NFC, enabling seamless connectivity with your smartphone and other devices. It also features GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo for accurate location tracking during outdoor activities. One of the standout features of the OnePlus Watch 3 is its ability to run third-party apps directly on the watch. This includes popular apps like Google Maps, Spotify, and Strava, making it a versatile companion for both everyday use and fitness tracking. Health and fitness features. The OnePlus Watch 3 is packed with health and fitness features, making it an excellent choice for fitness enthusiasts. It includes a heart rate monitor, blood oxygen, SpO2, sensor, sleep tracking, and stress monitoring. The watch also supports over 150 workout modes, including running, cycling, swimming, and yoga, ensuring that it can cater to a wide range of activities. The heart rate monitor and SpO2 sensor provide accurate readings, allowing users to keep track of their cardiovascular health and oxygen levels. Sleep tracking is comprehensive, offering insights into sleep stages, duration, and quality. The stress monitoring feature uses heart rate variability, HRV, to assess stress levels and provides guided breathing exercises to help users relax. For outdoor activities, the built-in GPS ensures accurate tracking of distance, pace, and routes. The watch also features a barometer for altitude tracking, which is particularly useful for hikers and climbers. Battery life. Battery life is one of the most impressive aspects of the OnePlus Watch 3. It is equipped with a 500 milliamp hour battery, which can last up to 14 days on a single charge with typical usage. Even with heavy usage, including continuous GPS tracking and heart rate monitoring, the watch can easily last 5 to 7 days. The watch supports fast charging, allowing you to get a full day's worth of battery life with just 10 minutes of charging. A full charge takes approximately 60 minutes, which is relatively quick compared to other smartwatches in its category. Smart features. The OnePlus Watch 3 is more than just a fitness tracker. It's a full-fledged smartwatch. It supports notifications for calls, messages, and apps, allowing you to stay connected without needing to pull out your phone. You can also respond to messages directly from the watch using voice commands or preset quick replies. The watch supports Google Assistant, enabling you to perform tasks like setting reminders, checking the weather, and controlling smart home devices using just your voice. It also supports contactless payments via Google Pay, making it convenient for on-the-go transactions. Another notable feature is the ability to store and play music directly from the watch. With 32 gigabytes of internal storage, you can download your favorite playlists and listen to them via Bluetooth headphones without needing your phone. Customization and watch faces. The OnePlus Watch 3 offers a wide range of customization options, allowing users to personalize their watch to suit their style. There are over 100 watch faces to choose from, ranging from minimalist designs to more complex ones with multiple complications. You can also create custom watch faces using your own photos. The watch's interface is highly customizable, allowing you to rearrange apps, widgets, and shortcuts to suit your preferences. This level of customization ensures that the watch can be tailored to meet the needs of different users. Pros and cons. Pros: premium design with durable materials, bright and vibrant AMOLED display, smooth performance with Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 chipset, comprehensive health and fitness tracking, long battery life with fast charging, wide range of smart features and apps support, customizable watch faces and interface. Cons: limited compatibility with iOS devices, no built-in LTE option. Some third-party apps may not be optimized for Wear OS 4. Conclusion: the OnePlus Watch 3 is a strong contender for the title of the best Android smartwatch. It combines a premium design, robust performance, and a comprehensive set of features to deliver a smartwatch that caters to both fitness enthusiasts and everyday users. Its long battery life, fast charging, and extensive customization options further enhance its appeal. While it may not be perfect, the OnePlus Watch 3 offers excellent value for its price, making it a worthy competitor to other high-end smartwatches in the market. If you're an Android user looking for a versatile and reliable smartwatch, the OnePlus Watch 3 should definitely be on your radar. Specifications at a glance: display, 1.43-inch AMOLED, 466 by 466 pixels, Corning Gorilla Glass processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 RAM, 2 GB storage, 32 GB, operating system Wear OS 4, connectivity Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi, NFC, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo sensors, heart rate monitor, SpO2 sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, barometer, water resistance 5 ATM up to 50 meters, battery 500 milliamp hours, up to 14 days of battery life, fast charging support, strap, interchangeable silicone strap colors, midnight black, silver. Other features: Google Assistant, Google Pay, music storage, over 150 workout modes, sleep tracking, stress monitoring. With its impressive specs and features, the OnePlus Watch 3 is a compelling choice for anyone in the market for a high-quality Android smartwatch. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a tech-savvy user, or someone looking for a reliable everyday smartwatch, the OnePlus Watch 3 delivers on all fronts.